Myself is Risha from Government College Autonomous Rajmahendravaram Department of BSc Biotechnology, first year, second semester. Today I wanna give an seminar of subject cell and microbiology. Topic was gram staining. Introduction. Gram staining is a method of differentiating bacteria species into two large groups, gram negative and gram positive. The gram staining is almost always the first step in the identification of bacteria. It is a valuable diagnostic tool in both clinical and research settings. Not all bacteria can be definitively classified by this technique. This gives rise to gram variable and gram indeterminate group as well. History. The method is named after its inventor, the Danish scientist Hans Christian Gram 1853-1938, who developed the technique while working with Karl Friedlander in the morgue of the city hospital in Berlin in 1884. In 1884, while examining lung tissue from patients who had died of pneumonia, Gram had discovered that certain stains were preferentially taken up and retained by bacterial cells. Gram did not use a counter stain in his procedure. It was a few years later that the German pathologist Karl Weigert, 1845-1904, from Frankfurt, added a final step of staining with saffron. Gram himself never used the red counter staining in order to visualize the gram negative bacteria. Principle of gram staining. Bacteria stained with crystal violet. All bacteria will be stained purple. After added gram iodine solution, stain will fix due to formation of complex of crystal violet and iodine. After adding decolorization alcohol or acetone, cells will be decolorized while some cells will retain the stain. Stain with saffron, known as counter stain. Cells that retains the color of primary stain are gram positive. Cells that do not retain the color of primary stain and takes up the color of counter stain are gram negative. When it was n gram positive, it occurs on smooth surface. Then gram negative is occurs and outer membrane was rough and they contains a periplasmic space. There is and four basic steps of gram staining. Applying a primary stain crystal violet to a heat fixed smear of a bacterial culture. The addition of gram iodine with binds to crystal violet and traps it in the cell. Decolorization with alcohol or acetone and counter staining with saffron. Procedure. Prepare a heat fixed smear of the bacteria culture. Cover the smear with the crystal violet for 1 minute. Add grams iodine, which washes the crystal violet stain. Rinse the slide in running water and add decolorizer alcohol. Again, rinse the slide and cover the smear with the saffron for 1 minute. Wash off the saffron with water. Air dry the slide and observe under oil immersion lens. Thank you for watching this video.